Hello everyone, this is Nikhil. So recently I built a medieval manuscript viewer with PHP and XML. I have already started the localhost server. Let me head back to Google Chrome and then show you the website. So this is how it looks. So I built this web app that takes old historical manuscript like text from 1800 and render them as an actual readable web page. And then the interesting part is tech behind it. No React, no fancy framework, just PHP, XML, and something called XSLT. Let me walk through it. Uh, this is called TEI Manuscript Viewer. TEI refers to Text Encoding Initiative. It is an international standard that universities and libraries use to digitally preserve historical text. So imagine you have a handwritten manuscript from 1800s. Scholar encode it in XML, marking up every word, every edit, and every crossed out line. But raw XML is unreadable in a browser. So my app takes that XML, convert it to clean, style web page, and then you don't need to do anything for that. So let me show you an XML file, how it looks, and then so this is one of my data. I mean, one of the manuscript. Now here is how it works. You start with an TEI XML file like that, and then early node. This is one of the early nodes on Benetton architecture by John Ruskin. It looks like this is in a raw form, just a wall of text, not great. My app reads the file, run it through the XSLT style sheet, which is basically a set of transformation rule, and PHP converts the whole thing into HTML on, on your demand. The class I wrote for this is called TEI transformer, and then it uses PHP built-in DOM document and XSLT processor, zero external dependency, no npm, nothing. So this is how the home page look. You can search your keywords right here. Like if I search for something, if I search something like continental, which is right here, it shows off the result. On the home page, you can get catalog of all your manuscript. Each card show the title and then manuscript ID and date. There's a search bar too, as I've already shown you. Now let me view one of the manuscript right here. If I click view manuscript, it shows me uh, the process thing that my app has done. So this is a cool part. When I open a manuscript, the app transform it in real time. You get the metadata up top, title, author, repository, date, then the actual text below properly formatted. But look at these details. The word that were crossed out by the author, shown in red with a strike through. Words that were added, shown in green right here. Illegible sections are marked as gaps. And then those, wait, let me do the other one. And then you can see green, these are the places name. These are called name entities. They are all encoded in XML. Let me walk you through the whole structure. The project structure really clean. As you can see, two PHP classes, TEI transformer. This does the XML to HTML conversion, and then the manuscript catalog, scan the folder for manuscript and handle search. There's even a small JSON file built in. That's for like hit API manuscript, and you can get all the manuscript data JSON. That's it. No database, no framework, no build step. So basically, I built this after getting inspired by the Southeastern English Department early Ruskin manuscript. This website. I found the repository for that site, and then I studied it, and then I tried to create something of my own. I also built this to understand the pipeline that the actual digital humanities project use. Places like Bodleian Library, University, National Archive, they all use the same approach. XML for storage, XSLT for transformation, or server-side language to serve it. Anyway, the full source, you can find it on my GitHub. Let me show you. So my GitHub is Nikhil, and you can find the source code right here. If I go to repository, and it's right here. So yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think.